Nissan Pathfinder Service and Repairs. Nissan Motor Company is a Japanese multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Nishi-ku, Yokohama, Japan. The company sells its vehicles under the Nissan, Infiniti, and Datsun brands, with in-house performance tuning products labeled Nismo. The 2018 Nissan Pathfinder is a mid-size SUV known for its spacious interior, family-friendly features, and versatility. Features can vary depending on the trim level and optional packages selected. Here are some of the key features commonly found in the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. Servicing a Nissan Pathfinder involves routine maintenance and periodic inspections to ensure that the vehicle continues to operate smoothly and reliably. Here are some general guidelines for Nissan Pathfinder service. Routine maintenance. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial for the health of the engine. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the type of oil and the interval between changes. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off fluids, including transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Brake inspection. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace brake components as needed. Tire maintenance. Rotate tires at regular intervals to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure regularly and replace tires when they are worn. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at recommended intervals to maintain optimal engine performance. Battery check. Inspect the battery for corrosion and check its charge. Replace the battery if needed. Wiper blade replacement. Replace windshield wiper blades as needed for clear visibility during inclement weather. Periodic inspections. Brake system inspection. Periodically inspect the entire brake system for wear and performance. This includes brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake lines. Suspension system check. Inspect the suspension components for wear and damage. Replace shocks and struts as needed. Exhaust system inspection. Check the exhaust system for leaks, damage, or excessive rust. Address any issues promptly. Timing belt. Chain replacement. If your Nissan Pathfinder has a timing belt, follow the manufacturer's recommendations for replacement. If it has a timing chain, regular inspections are advisable. Manufacturer recommendations. Always refer to the owner's manual and follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule for your specific Nissan Pathfinder model year. The service schedule typically outlines specific maintenance tasks and intervals. Professional servicing. While some maintenance tasks can be done by car owners, it's advisable to have more complex tasks and inspections performed by qualified professionals at authorized service centers or reputable auto repair shops. They have the expertise and tools to ensure that the work is done correctly. Regular and proactive maintenance can extend the life of your Nissan Pathfinder and help prevent more costly repairs down the road. Always consult your owner's manual and seek professional advice when needed.